So KAJA has did it, and made a product for us lazy makeup wearers yet again. However, today we're going to see if they've actually did it or not. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out KAJA's new Wink Stamp eyeliner. I think that the Wink Stamp Wing Eyeliner Stamp and Pen. There we go. For those of you guys who don't know, KAJA is a brand made by Box. It's their American makeup brand, whereas like I Do Care and Noonie are like skincare brands sold at Ulta. This is their makeup brand sold at Sephora. And they have created a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in Stamp Set Duo to do like a wing, which this has been done before. This isn't a new concept. But today we're going to try this little dude out and see how well the stamp actually works. So what does it say about this eyeliner? Wink Stamp Wing Eyeliner Stamp and Pen for a perfect wing in seconds. Get perfect winged eyeliner in seconds. Easy to use double-ended wing eyeliner stamp and liquid eyeliner duo, smudge-proof, waterproof, and long wear formula. We are not going to be testing the wearability of it right now because I actually just got back from class and I'm not really going out anymore today. But we will be seeing how quickly it actually works. So we got instructions. First, use the stamp. Position the wing-shaped stamp at the outer edge of the eye and press down firmly. The wing should connect to the lower lash line, creating one continuous line. And then line. Use the eyeliner pen to draw along the lashes and connect the wing, shake well before use, and then you repeat it on the other eye. So it's a 1-2 thing, and then it's a 1-2 on the other eye. Yeah, please ignore my hair because it's doing weird stuff. I don't know what it's doing. I should fix it. But we are going to open this up and look a little bit more closely at these products. First of all, the packaging is really nice. I do have to say there was a little like scratch on my packaging, but there was only a couple in store and they all had that, which was probably just like something in terms of shipping. Ooh, these aren't held down in the package that well, like they kind of are falling all over the place, but I do like how they have this nice little card, and then the box is really pretty as well. So the stamp is in there well, the eyeliner not so much. This is a really nice eyeliner though. I like the packaging, it's very sleek. Got it. Left and right. Oh, so there's a different stamp for each eye. That makes sense. That does make sense. I feel like it's kind of weird how the caps look different on each side, but that also could be so it's easier to tell like when you're opening it up. So I get that too. And then the eyeliner just looks like your basic felt tip pen liner. It's pretty sturdy though, which is nice. It's not like flopping all over the place. I tried like a felt liner from Maybelline, I think it is. Really bad. Do I want to test the stamp on my hand? Yeah, I think that might be a smart idea. It's pretty good. Like, it's not a horrible stamp. Like, I was slightly worried about the stamp because I thought it was going to be like the stamp for the heart cheek blushes, and those aren't the best. But this one's pretty good. Yeah, once it dries down, it's pretty good too. I'm gonna let that like dry a little bit more and then I'm gonna try to smudge it. But let's zoom in and get into this. And then we'll do like a smudge test. Alright, first of all, to see how easy this is, I am just gonna use my cushion mirror because my actual mirror is over there. If this actually works though, I love this little set. It looks so like pretty and sleek and the purple is so nice. So I do hope it actually works. So we're starting with the stamp. And what eye is this? Left. What eye do I usually start with when I do? I had this same problem in the last makeup video I filmed. I think I usually start on the left, so we're good there. I have the left here. What does it say? Place stamp along the outer edge of the eye. Wing's longest end should connect to and align with lower lashes. What does that mean? Longest end? Okay, I guess that's like the bottom side, yeah? Creating a continuous line and press down firmly. So we're just gonna give this a go, I guess. I guess. My hair keeps going in my face and it's making this so much harder. Also, what happened to my eyebrow makeup? Do I have to fix that too? Okay, let's just keep going. I hate this so much. I don't like this. I feel like I'm gonna mess up. I'm like afraid to press down because then I'm gonna have to remove it. Continuous line. Okay, so like that, I guess? I don't like this. I don't. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. I'm such a weenie. That wasn't bad. Okay, we have the little boop wing, and that was actually, once I did it, not hard. So now you have to actually line my eye, which I usually have to like hold back on my eye to like line it, but I don't feel like doing that. And my makeup up here is creasing. The pen is really firm though. I do like that. This actually doesn't look bad at all. Can I do this? One thing I'm noticing looking at it really close up is that the stamp part is a slightly lighter shade than the rest of the eyeliner, but that also could just be like a once it's dry sort of thing. I think I am gonna need a better mirror though, just because I cannot see for my life right now. Okay, this isn't bad. I'm struggling because I'm not using a real mirror. But this could easily be done very quickly with like a real mirror. I'm just not using one. And that actually looks pretty good. I actually like that. That's not bad. If I used the liner a little bit better, like I'm just doing it really simple today because I'm actually not going anywhere today. But I want to check the smudgeness. And it doesn't smudge either. You know, that is not budging. I like this. I do. Okay, let's try it on the other eye and actually see for time now. I should probably use my other mirror too, but I'm not. Actually, I will. I will use a real mirror. Just as test though, you could easily do this like in a school bathroom. All right, now we're gonna do right eye. Moment of truth time. Only one thing is I feel like I'm not gonna line them up now. Yeah, that's like a very difficult issue here. Okay. I feel like it's a bit hard to get the ends all the way down. However, it is decently even. Okay, not bad. I feel like they're not even, but I think we're just gonna roll with it. I would say that took about 2 or so minutes, but if you were doing it just really quick, I feel like it would take a lot less time. I kind of was like going back in and fixing things, but for starters, I really like the liner, like a lot. Like I'm not disappointed by this liner. The stamp, I don't know if I'd use it every day, but like this eyeliner, I would 200% repurchase, like just as an eyeliner, so I do hope they release it like as a separate eyeliner, because like even just the packaging on this is so pretty and sleek and nice, and I love the matte black. And yeah, I do have to say I did not shake it well, although this little card here, like this side, doesn't say to shake it, so I think that's okay. The stamp, I do think it is a slightly bit gimmicky, but also I feel like it made my life a lot easier, especially if you're like newly getting into makeup and have trouble doing a winged eyeliner. This was really helpful. And one of my biggest things with eyeliner is that I hate doing it in the morning, but I feel like this could actually speed up that process a lot. Like, I've only been filming for like 16 minutes. That's unheard of. Usually my eyeliner step alone takes that long, but we've done like a whole video. I'm interested to see how it holds up in like the future. Hopefully I can mention that in like a favorites video or something. I also would be interested in like them releasing a cute little package special version of like a little pouch for these two. That would be adorable. But it's another thing, like maybe like a Christmas version where it comes with a cute little pouch just to like keep them together like when traveling. But I like these. I was not expecting to like this as much as I do, but I like it. Like it made this whole like eyeliner situation very easy. And again, I feel like it'd be really good for beginners and also just generally lazy people. Like it, KAJA do it. They did it. They did that. This actually works. I feel like I would have to give it a like 4 out of 5 stars just because I feel like it's a bit of a learning curve with the stamp. However, this eyeliner gets like a 6 out of 5. It's so good. I love this eyeliner. So nice. I like how it is very firm and like not like flimsy, because that's a big problem a lot of felt tip pen liners have, I feel like. But they did a really good job with this one. Like this liner, I really hope they do sell it separately because I want to buy it and I want it to be my new favorite liner and replace the K palette one, because that's the Japanese eyeliner and it's very hard to get here. I have to order it from one specific website if I want to order it again. So I really hope they just sell the liner. Like this is so pretty too. I love it. Wow. Maybe Box did it. KAJA did it. I'm happy. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me if you've tried this product down below and what your thoughts are, and tell me if you would try it. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give me a like down below, as well as subscribe for more videos, and click the little notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I upload 1 to 2 videos pretty much every day, so just a heads up. Although if you're subscribed, you would know that. All those things really help me out, so huge shouts out to you if you do. I will have this this good old product down below, linked down below. Hopefully I can link Sephora and the Mimibox website, because I think Mimibox is easier to ship internationally, but I'm not positive on that. Don't quote me. I hope everyone had or is having a super lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys! I can't do the outro with these.